Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 8 of your English literature, that is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We will read about his entire life from his birth to his death in this chapter and his achievements all throughout his life. So Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. Shri Janki Das Bose was his father and Shrimati Prabhavati was his mother. He passed his matriculation examination with the second position in whole province. In whole his province, his state. After that he passed BA examination with the first division and he passed his graduation with first division. He went to England and after that he went to England to appear for the ICS, that is Indian Service examination, and he passed it within a short period of only 8 months, and he prepared for 8 months for civil service examination in England and he passed it within 8 months. He refused to join the honorable service. When he was selected, he refused to join. He refused to join because he wants to serve his motherland. He wants to serve social work for needy people. He returned to India and started social service in Calcutta, that is now called Kolkata. He was elected the mayor over there. He resigned from the post and started taking active part in the freedom movement. He resigned from mayor also and started freedom movement. Soon Subhash Chandra Bose became a famous leader. He was elected the president of Indian National Congress twice. He was elected as the president of Indian National Congress twice, serving during the years 1938 and 1939. So Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as the president in 1938 and 1939. When he was under house arrest in 1941, he went to foreign countries unnoticed. So when a warrant was issued against him in 1941, he went to foreign unnoticed and without telling anyone. He reached Germany. He met Hitler for help in the Indian freedom fight against the British Empire. There in Germany, he met Hitler. He was the leader of Germany. And he reached Singapore in a submarine. There he founded the INA. When he reached Singapore after Germany, he founded INA, that is Indian National Army, with the help of Germany and Japan. All the Indian soldiers in Singapore joined his army. So all the soldiers over there in Singapore joined INA. The Indians who were there also joined this mission and helped in all possible ways. So the Indians which are living in Singapore helped Subhash Chandra Bose in his mission and helped him in all possible ways. He gave the slogan of Jai Hind. The slogan Jai Hind was given by Subhash Chandra Bose to Indian National Army. Later on it became a national salute. When we sing our national anthem, in the end we say Jai Hind. So that slogan is given by Subhash Chandra Bose. He requested the people of India, give me blood and I shall give you freedom. So you must have heard this slogan also. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा in Hindi. It is give me blood and I shall give you freedom in English, and it was given by Subhash Chandra Bose. He succeeded in reaching up to Imphal in Assam. Unfortunately, he had to stop his mission because of the defeat of Japan and Germany in World War II. So in the World War, Japan and Germany is the only foreign powers which were helping Subhash Chandra Bose, and when they were defeated in World War II, his mission stopped because they were very badly defeated by another superpower. It is said that he lost his life in an air crash on 18 August 1945. Indians love him very much and call him Netaji out of respect. So he died due to plane crash on 18 August 1945, and Indians loved him very much and loves him now also, and with his respect they used to call him Netaji. So that's all your chapter, students. If you have any problem, you can ask me anytime.